Wike told us.
I came here because my chairman was coming. And I said, there's no way my chairman will come, I will not support him. I want to say, because I was to speak of fiscal federalism, and I told my authority there to speak, to come and represent me, and I know he did a good job. But I don't know how my chairman came up here now to tell me. Not with them on this issue of signing any law. I will not sign. Why? Federal government cannot direct me what to do. We are a federal system. We are a federal system. I cannot, and I said it last night, that I will not, where I'm directed by the federal government, for me to implement anything. No, it's not done. It's not done. Autonomy is already in Rivers State for the judiciary, and I will not sign it. There's nothing like that. I will not. So that you better hear it now, so that you won't say, I'm not. If you want to hate me, hate me. If you're a judge here, you want to hate me, it's your business. But the point remains that, why should it be the federal government directing me to do it? The Constitution has allowed the act of government to be independent. If I don't follow that, there should be a sanction for it. And I should not be directed by the federal government. I will not do that. Dr. Fayemi, his government, they know. Because they have no good relationship with the judiciary. They want to use that to say they are supporting judiciary to be autonomous. It's not correct. It's not. If they want judiciary to be autonomous, what has happened? The federal courts in all the states. What has happened? Why are they allowing the states to be the ones that will support and make sure the federal courts in the states are functioning? Why? So, if you have a problem, go and solve your problem. Rivers State Judiciary, we don't have any problem. So, my chairman, I will not be with you on that. And I'm not going to support you on that. Even though you have praised me here, praise me, I thank you. Thank you. I thank you. I thank you for praising me. Because the truth must be told. The truth must be told. I want to start from Edo State, where Alege, former president, where the president comes from. Look at the statute of the federal court, what is going on? And then the federal government is telling us, we want the autonomy of judiciary. I have no problem. If you say so, what have you done to show that the judiciary should be autonomous? You want to use us to tell us that it is the states that make it impossible for the judiciary to be autonomous. I will not agree. I will not. So I even spoke with the president, and he's telling me, oh, you know, we are supposed to do this. I said, I don't have any problem about that. We are supposed to, I said, no problem. Ask Mr. President of the country, why is the federal court, the judiciary nationally, why are they not autonomous? Why? Autonomy is not only giving money. Autonomy is also allow them to do what they are supposed to do without you intimidating them. Autonomy is not give money. Autonomy is stop using to influence them on what they to do. We have restricted autonomy to mean where you can award contracts. No, that's not autonomy alone. Allow them to perform. Allow them to work according to how they feel what the law is supposed to be. Not to tell SSS to come and meet a judge and say, look, we hear this is what we want to give judgment on this matter. We have that you have 2.5 million naira in your account. And then the judge say, well, yes, let me just do it the way you want it. That is the autonomy we should talk about. That is the autonomy we should talk about. You see, all of us, like I like to ask him, very good friend, he told me yesterday, he's here, and I will not tell him in the bigger audience. I told him, I said, look, you were president. Rivers State Court was shut for almost 2 years. What happened? What happened? All of you. Lawyers became drivers. Lawyers became taxi. It's so unfortunate. I told Alegi, my friend, I had some good drinks with him. He didn't know. When we went for the dinner, I told him, I said, I will tell him here again today, so all of you will know. He's my very good friend. So, it's unfortunate. Dr. Fayemi, this lawyer's dinner is not for you to amend the things people have spoiled. No, there's no amendment there. It's not for everyone Abubakar to think that coming to NBA conferences, nothing can be amended. Things are spoiled, are spoiled. So, for me, I've said, you see, you have signed the bill into law. Who is implementing it? I have not signed. But there's no state today that can say that they can challenge River State in terms of the autonomy of the judiciary. Because I can say clearly, as of September this year, every capital project of judiciary has been released. So, what is autonomy? I can tell you, and I told my chief judge, he said, please, if I sign that bill into law now, what you said, they will lose. Because what we are giving them monthly is 70% higher than what if I sign that. So I said, look, allow them, let us collect what you are collecting. Don't go with these people. I'm not with them. I'm not going to be a party because your party sat somewhere and think that they will use it to get good relationship with the judiciary. Nobody will use me to do that.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.